Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf estate. This is the 1.5 litre petrol GT DSG, finished in the lovely Indium Grey metallic paint. You have got really nice alloy wheels on this car. They're in a lovely condition, there's no scuffs or scrapes on any of the metal. And you've got the rear tinted windows just to give that bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the back, and the lovely silver detailing like the window surround and roof rail. Round to the back, I'll open up the boot. It has got a really generously sized boot. So you'd even be able to fit a set of golf clubs in there. There's plenty of space in the back. As you can see on the back bumper, you have got the front and rear parking sensors. So it's perfect for a longer car like this just to get in and out of those awkward spaces. I'll open up the back and show you what's inside. So you've got the stunning art velours cloth. It's really comfortable and it looks really stylish as well. And there's plenty of space in the back if you've got children or pets that you'll be taking in the car with you. You also have the LED front fog lights and daytime running lights. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got the colour touchscreen display here with the sat nav built in. It's a really good sized screen and it's really clear and easy to use as well. Another great feature is the app connect, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone to the car with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink. And you have got DAB digital radio for all your music. You do also have the driver mode selection, so you can change the mode on the car depending on how you want it to feel while you're driving. And as I said, you've got the front and rear parking sensors, so it just gives you all the confidence you need to park. Underneath you've got 2-zone climate control. The addition of the front heated seats are perfect in the chilly winter conditions, just to keep you nice and warm. And it is automatic. You've got the electronic parking brake with auto hold and 2 handy cup holders, and the armrest with a storage compartment underneath. Onto the dash, you've got the lovely glossy black inserts along the dash following onto the door as well. And I'll just give you a close-up of the seats. You can see they look barely satin, there's no marks or tears in any of the fabric, and they're really comfortable. Over to your steering wheel, the car does have adaptive cruise control with front assist, so it's perfect for long motorway drives. It's covered just over 7,900 miles from new. You do have automatic lights, heated and folding door mirrors, and all the electric windows front and rear. So this car comes with the balance of the manufacturer's warranty until the 2nd of March 2023, both sets of keys and fully serviced prior to handover. Give us a call for any further information. Thank you.